Hello students, in the previous video I gave this question as homework for you and I'd asked you to solve it also. So let's go for solution part. LHS, claiming for LHS, tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 4. We do the first two term. Let me apply the formula and write the formula here. Which formula I'm going to claim here? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Last term kept as it is plus tan inverse of 1 by 4. So until you not simplify this, you're not supposed to add the next term here. So let's go for simplification part. 6 being LCM in the numerator, balance it. Here we have 3 plus 2, 5 by 6. Denominator 6 being LCM, 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. So ultimately I should say it is tan inverse 1. Left hand I should say it is plus tan inverse 1 by 4. Now between these two terms you can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. We're left with tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus x into y, that is 1 by 4 only. So calculation part, 4 is LCM, 4 plus 1 5. Denominator should say it is 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So cancel the denominator, 4 gets eliminated. Left hand I should say it is tan inverse 5 by 3. This would have been the answer, but just have a glance what they say. They expect the answer in terms of cot inverse. So we know the relation very well. Tan inverse x is nothing but cot inverse 1 by x. Andre idu reciprocal agatalva. Okay, property again to be used here. You can even mention here because tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. Reciprocal of this, that is 3 by 5. And that itself is the RHS. Conclude the answer. A similar question, let me give it as homework for you. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3, okay, plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equal to pi by 4. Now, I think I can, one step I can help you here. Between the first two terms, you can apply formula. Which formula comes in your mind? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Meanwhile, at the same time, even you can claim the formula between the third term and fourth term also. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Illi simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then afterwards again apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. And last answer, this is pi by 4. Pi by 4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ what do you expect here? This is nothing but you will be getting the tan inverse 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ don't say question is wrong. Don't say question is wrong. Somewhere in the calculation part you people have gone wrong because question is prove that, not verify. Verify ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the LHS may be equal to RHS which you are supposed to verify there. But the question is prove that. Prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ LHS will be equal to RHS. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ tan inverse 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ tan inverse 1 ಗೆ further conclude the answer as pi by 4 radian measure or you can say it is 45 degrees. Okay, next question here we have 17th one. Prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 3. Please make a note. 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to pi by 4. So 2 na sumne hage blindly itkonbittu don't say tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y anta helik hogbedi. Wrong way of accepting the LHS part. So 2 has to be balanced here. So one option 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 can also be taken as good as I should say 2 members are present. 2 apples are present which earlier also discussed. So this 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 na bekidre neevu tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 kuda tagobodu. But ade conclusion tagondu already we have ready made formula, isn't it? So the formula says 2 tan inverse x can be taken as tan inverse 2x denominator 1 minus x square. So provide if you will claim for this formula, it's as good as that 2 tan inverse x has been merged to a single 1 tan inverse x. Tan inverse of so and so, all the terms to be balanced. So I was here 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 ಮೇಲೆ first formula apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. We are left with tan inverse 2x. X is 1 by 3. Denominator should say it is 1 minus x square. 1 by 3 square. 1 by 9. Simplify. Last term is kept as it is only. We are left with here tan inverse 2 by 3. Denominator 9 being LCM. 9 minus 1 I should say it's 8 by 9. Plus the term kept as it is. So here we have tan inverse of 2 by 3. Division has been taken as reciprocal of denominator by saying multiplication operation ulta. 9 by 8, and just to make it easy for simplification part, I have taken this step. Otherwise, here itself we can wind up 3 1s, 3 3s, 1s and 4s. You can, if you're comfortable, you can go for that step also. So kept as it is. Now simplification begins here. 1s. If it occurs, better you go for this. We have 3s, 1s, and I should say it is 4s. So we're left with tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now we can apply which formula? Which formula? It is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Write the formula here, which says tan inverse x plus y, denominator 1 minus x into y. 3, denominator 7 4s are 28. So this has to be simplified. 28 is LCM in numerator. We're left out with here 7 3s are. Balance it for the LCM. 7 3s are 21 plus 4. 25 by 28. Denominator we find 28. Being LCM, balance it accordingly. We have 28 minus 3, 25 by 28. So all the terms get eliminated here. 1s are. And therefore I should say it is tan inverse 1. Which is nothing but I should say it is pi by 4. That itself is equal to RHS. 17th question. Okay. Questions, once you get a grip of solving, then you find it to be very easy. Okay. Only thing is you have to practice the questions. Okay. So next question here we have. Question. 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 12 by 5 is equal to pi by 2. 2 tan inverse is nodi. So LHS 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 12 by 5 are taken. Write the formula first. What is 2 tan inverse x? Tan inverse 2x, 2 into 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Denominator 1 minus x square, 1 by 25. Term kept as it is. Go for simplification part, you find 2 by 5. 25 being LCM, 25 minus 1, 24, 25 by 24, taken reciprocal. Plus tan inverse of 12 by 5. So cancellation can be done here. 1s are, 12s are, 1s are, and I should say 5s are. We'll have 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 12 by 5. So tan inverse 5 by 12 plus tan inverse 12 by 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What is tan inverse x? ಈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂತು, ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can go for the property. We can take this term as cot inverse 5 by 12, and therefore I should say tan inverse x plus tan inverse cot inverse a if the domain are same. Okay, property says the result is pi by 2, and that itself is equal to RHS. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formulas ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Earlier also discussed in one numerical sum. Okay, so tan inverse of infinity normally pi by 2 accept ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ to conclude the RHS. Okay, so okay, yeah, few more questions are given as homework here. I'm sure you people are curious to solve these questions now, isn't it? Okay, good. So 19th question, it's tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 plus tan inverse 1 by 18 is called cot inverse 3. Cot inverse 3 can also be taken as, can be assumed it as tan inverse, it is 1 by 3. So first two terms apply madi formula na, whatever the result comes, again apply the formula, you'll have the tan inverse 1 by 3 anta barutte, adana cot inverse 3 barkondo RHS conclude madi. And remember, question is prove that. Got it? Next question here, we find 2 tan inverse 1 by 8. Apply the formula. This is kept as it is. Again you find here 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. Apply the formula. Got it? Illi apply madi. Then afterwards, you'll have such a 3 terms with tan inverse, and again you can apply the formula and conclude the answer. We have pi by 4. That means tan inverse 1 barutte nodi. One more option you can give here. You can consider first and third term na ottige barkondu 2 you can take common. 2 you can take common. Bracket alli uliyodu tan inverse 1 by 8 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 ಅಂತ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ 2 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 tan inverse x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದನ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್, ನೋಡಿ ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್, 2 tan inverse x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 tan inverse x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ. ಓಕೆ, but one more alternate option also gave you, left to you. Okay, 21st question here we have, prove that sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. So ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ಬೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಾ, ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲೇ, cos ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ. earlier also few questions I done it. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ one more option, drag this to tan inverse. I mean, sin inverse 3 by 5 can be taken as, sin inverse 3 by 5 can be taken as tan inverse 3 by 4. Cos inverse 12 by 13 can be taken as tan inverse. This should go for 5 by 12. So tan inverse barutte, tan inverse barutte, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವಲ್ಲೇ, isn't it? Final answer we are going to get tan inverse. That tan inverse can be again taken back in terms of cos inverse. I think this question is repeated. Okay, already we discussed this question, but just solve it once again from your side. 22nd question here we find it's cos inverse of plus 2 tan inverse of. So yeah, unless until not apply 2 tan inverse formula apply ಮಾಡಿ first. Okay, so 2 tan inverse will be taken as tan inverse of 2x. Denominator 1 minus x square apply ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ this can be taken in terms of tan inverse. This is also tan inverse. Then you can apply the formula. Last tan inverse ಬಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ sin inverse convert ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so simplification part, almost previous question, so many questions I had done it. I hope you people have got the idea. Now depending upon the sum, you need to modify and think how best we can use the formula and how best I can use the compound angle formula. Okay, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin of a plus b ಅಥವಾ alpha plus beta. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು tan inverse ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ tan inverse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ sin inverse ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, let me see the solutions now. Okay, afterwards I'll ask you to submit also. So again, next question we have cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. Alpha beta ತಗೊಂಡು cos of a plus b, cos of alpha plus beta, or in terms of tan inverse, answer will be in tan inverse, back to cos inverse. Okay, this also can decide tan inverse better option, because cot inverse 3 can be straight away taken as tan inverse 1 by 3. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, tan inverse ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, then apply, you find the pi by 4, that means tan inverse 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that is pi by 4. Next, similarly, we had 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. 2 tan inverse ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು and justify it here. Please go through all the solutions. Okay, I'm sure you people are going to enjoy these questions. Okay, so few more questions here we find. Solve them. This is the 36. Okay, and yeah, solve these questions. Take them as homework. 31st question, I done it for you people. It is tan inverse m by n minus tan inverse m minus n. Denominator we find 1 plus m plus n. And they ask us to prove the result is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 in the sense it is tan inverse 1. What I said? This means tan inverse 1. So no doubt you can apply tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula no apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. But whenever you find such type of term ನೋಡಿ, same terms ಇದೆ, m minus n upon m plus n ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾವುದು tan inverse x minus tan inverse y ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ದಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅನ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಹಾರ್ಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮೈನಸ್ tan inverse y ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ರಾಬಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ m. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ದ LHS ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ m by n ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So to fulfill the m by n requirement, in the second half part also, I am saying here, divide the numerator by n, divide by n. Similarly, balance, divide the denominator also by n, just to reduce the steps. One more hint. Similar terms bantu antandre, this is the best option. m by n baro hage. So m by n barabeku antandre, let's say here, divide the numerator and denominator by n. So we are left with m by n minus n by n is 1, m by n kept as it is, plus it is n by n is 1. Got it? So in this whole term, 1 normally a tan inverse formula so keen observe ಮಾಡಿ. What the tan inverse formula says? Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. What I said? 1. So denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 should be in the first part. Okay, then you can apply the formula in the reverse order. So, okay, I had done it here further. What I had done further, I have taken the terms as tan inverse m by n plus tan inverse. Okay, here minus I have taken common as we compare with the previous one. Here minus has been taken here. We have one more property, minus tan inverse x can be taken as tan inverse minus x. Minus ಒಳ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. And this made us to go for plus sign here, which I had taken it here. We have plus tan inverse because minus tan inverse, okay, I am claiming here minus tan inverse x can be taken as tan inverse of minus x. So all the terms have been replaced. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ m by n minus 1 ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 1 minus m by n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Denominator, any one, either numerator, denominator has to be, sign has to be changed. Denominator as it is 1 plus m by n will remain same only. So once we have this formula will be in the reverse order we are going to use it. So what's the reverse order formula I should say now? The formula says tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is nothing but we have tan inverse x minus y denominator 1 plus xy. Right from beginning we are using this formula. Now the reverse order. Reverse means tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. Ulta tondre, it is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse m by n. Ulta, reverse way. This formula in the reverse order I am trying to balance. So we are left with tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of m by n. First term and last term remain same. Gets eliminated. Uliyodu tan inverse 1 and that is itself is equal to pi by 4, which results to RHS. Have a glance. Okay, but there's no harm if you want to say tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. That is also valid. You can even think about that. So next question in the prove that lot itself, apart from earlier what I discussed the compound angle formula. So this question I can say substitution question start agutte nodi. One more pattern. Prove that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So to solve such questions, you need to think about one more chart I need to give here. One more chart and you have to prepare. So to solve such type of questions, the formula list I have prepared for you. These are maximum possibilities what we can expect. So substitution. See, whenever you find 3x minus 4x cube, it's a given data, what you need to substitute and which formula you are going to use there. Okay, so this table you have to by heart, you have to remember it also. But meanwhile, as in how you solve the question, you will be used to. Okay, and these all two questions will be once again repeated in one more chapter, that is differentiation. So 3x minus 4x cube na kottaga, you need not to say 3x minus 4x cube. You should see this term as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, which is nothing but I should say it is sin 3 theta. This is a formula to be used. So for this you have to say here put x is equal to sin theta. After putting it back, this formula will be used which will reduce to sin 3 theta. Submultiple which I used it last year. Reverse order, this time we are going to use the formula. So whenever the terms are given, it is 4x cube minus 3x kottakshana. Remember, you have to say this formula as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta anta kandu formula. Got it? That means you have to say put x equal to cos theta and the formula will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta and this will reduce to cos 3 theta ge reduce agutte. So when you find 2x upon 1 minus x square, when you find 2x upon 1 plus x square, which formula should come in your mind? This should say always, this formula says 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, which is nothing but, be careful, minus idele. That means I should say it is tan 2 theta. Whereas 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta antandaga, the terms should go for sin 2 theta. Be careful, ಎರಡು same terms ಕಾಣುತ್ತದೆ, but the sign will decide whether it's tan 2 theta or it is sin 2 theta. But either of the case you find it to be put x equal to tan theta only. So as in how you will be used to, they almost the same questions have been repeated. So this chart if you remember very well you can go for the numerical part also. So 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, you have to say it is put x equal to tan theta. We're left out with 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square theta and this will reduce to cos 2 theta. The next I should say we had 2x square minus 1 or 1 minus 2x square. This should remind you regarding 2 cos square theta minus 1 as well as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Both terms will reduce to cos 2 theta only. Nodi. Last time, somewhere in the discussion also I done it. What is cos 2 theta? So many options we have. So cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So reverse way they are going to ask you in this form. So 2x square minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೀವೇ ಪಟ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದು 2 cos square theta minus 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ put x equal to cos theta ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. 1 minus 2x square ಅಂದಾಗ put x equal to sin theta, so that we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta, which is further can be taken as, can be reduced to, can be simplified to cos 2 theta. What about this? Can you recollect? It resembles 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, denominator 1 minus 3 tan square theta ge resemble aagta hai. For this you have to say put x is equal to tan theta. Obviously, after putting it here, we had tan 3 theta as a result. So this chart, you are going to write it in your notes. Remember this chart. So when we had 2x root of 1 minus x square, so I should say put x is equal to sin theta. Okay, one more option, please take it here. Or cos theta kuda barutte, depending upon the x value here. Okay, so shortly I'll be discussing regarding this question. Bracket al barkoli or cos theta is also allowed here. So we'll be left out with nodi enagatte sin theta hakonde enagatte nodi 2 sin theta. What do you mean by root of 1 minus sin square theta? Root of 1 minus sin square theta reduces to cos theta. So ultimately we'll be left out with 2 sin theta cos theta, and this has to go for sin 2 theta. Okay. So ee more terms kuda tumbane important. Whenever I find 1 plus x square, whenever I find 1 minus x square and x square minus 1. Okay. So I have to recollect the basic identities of trigonometry. What are the basic identities of trigonometry? It is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So, e 1 plus x square nodi takshana you have to recollect this. I should claim it for tan theta, or even I can claim it for cot theta also. Okay, but or option later I'll be discussing, but let me go for the, at least remember the tan theta. So, we left out with 1 plus tan square theta, that is nothing but secant square theta. What about this? We have 1 minus x square theta andaga. Which formula comes in your mind? 1 minus sin square athava 1 minus cos square anta neevu helbeku. So I have given the first option sin theta or cos theta, which will reduce it to further 1 minus sin square as cos square. Ultanu agbodu 1 minus cos square antandaga sin square agutte. So 1 minus x square kottaga you have to tell me put x equal to sin theta. 1 plus x square kottaga you have to tell me yen substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ you have to tell me you should be perfect in this. You have to say it is tan theta. What is x square minus 1 andaga? Same basic identities you will be using it in reverse way. Put x is equal to sec theta antira, so cosec theta is also applicable here. We'll be left out with the secant square theta minus 1, which will reduce to tan square theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cosecant square theta minus 1 adre, the result will go for cot square theta. Now, same results can be asked with the coefficient also. Andre 1 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. So the terms I should say a square plus x square, ಇದೇ term stand ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? put x is equal to I should say along with tan, say it is a tan theta. Put x is equal to not only tan theta, it should be a tan theta. When you put this one, the ultimate result will be ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಬರ್ತದ, a square I mean, with the power, a square taken common, will be left with 1 plus tan square theta. The result is going to be a square into secant square theta. So a square minus x square, recollect it is 1 minus x square. So what term you prefer here? Sine function. But coefficient has to be taken here. That is x is equal to x equal to a sine theta. It will be reducing to a square cos square theta. What about this? X square minus a square. Take it as x square minus 1 idhage. For this we have chosen sec function. So you people have to take it as put x equal to a sec theta. So we will be left with a square tan square theta. So these all terms you have to remember, badly required, substitution methodically, normally these are the maximum possibilities what we can expect. So this is how you can say given data, substitution and the formula to be used. Okay, so this should be taken in your notes. And along with this, one more set of formulas to be remembered. Remember, one more formula given here, badly required in the case of inverse trigonometry. 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta, badly required. We are left with 2 sin square theta. Bare sin 2 theta kottu antandre it is 2 sin theta cos theta. So remember 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos, okay, and sin function ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 2 theta ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. The same result I have taken here. Just make a note. 1 plus cos theta ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ don't get scared over here. Same formula, how best you can say 2 theta half this it is theta. 2 theta half. Relations will stand as it is only. Only angle part you have to balance. So what best you can do here? 1 plus cos theta to be taken as it is 2 cos square theta half. It is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square half of theta by 2. This should go for 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, the same list I have given here once again. So regarding angle, we are not sure what they can give you. So you have to balance it, but the same relation is going to stand here. Followed by, I should say here we find 1 plus sin 2 theta It's a very important relation here to be taken as, consider it as a plus b whole square. This cos theta plus sin theta whole square. 1 minus sin 2 theta, we have nothing but we have cos theta minus sin theta whole square, which resembles a minus b whole square. Cos 2 theta to be taken as cos square theta minus sin square theta, which resembles a square minus b square. Okay, so again 2 theta, half is theta, theta claimed here. But there's no doubt, they can even ask you 1 plus sin theta, then don't get scared for this. Say it is a plus b whole square form. Okay, and say it is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square. And cos to be taken first. Remember this also. 1 minus sin theta to be taken as a minus b whole square form. It is cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 whole square. And only cos theta kotru antandre, the relation to be taken as a square minus b square form. It is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So even these set of formulas to be remembered, and based on this, now you people are ready to go for solution for this question. Okay, so in between you can add those notes and get ready. Prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Of course, the domain part will be given to you. Then what best you can do here? So I give a solution here. Consider RHS. We find sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. So put, after seeing just now as I mentioned, 3x minus 4x cube notation, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. Put x equal to sin theta. Theta ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Theta is sin inverse x. So ಈ put na ವಾಪಸ್ RHS ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ. We are left out with sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Everything will reduce to sin 3 theta. So property applies, sin inverse of sin 3 theta is 3 theta. So theta replaced back. We have 3 sin inverse x. That itself is LHS. It's the best way. And this method itself is called as substitution method. This method itself is called as substitution method. Whereas one more option, you might have come across with one more option, that is solution, where we say sin inverse x is equal to theta. Idane ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ angle ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. One more option. This method, if you are perfect, if you are doing it already, if you have come across, this is also accepted. Okay, but this is actual method called substitution method and ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. It's called substitution method. But prove that ಅನ್ನೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ there are many methods to prove it. That is, start with RHS, conclude it to LHS. Illa, start with LHS and conclude it to RHS. Illa andre LHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, say result 1. Move for RHS, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ conclusion ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ, modify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ and stop it. And these two results are same, then you can say LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so many methods are there. So that's why in the first question we are dealing now on substitution. So that's why I went for one more option here. Claiming for sin inverse x equal to theta ಅಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡು, we left with sin theta is equal to x. Then we remember the formula ಯಾವುದು, sin 3 theta, trigonometric formula ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Isn't it? So we have ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, which formula comes in your mind, sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Here no LHS, no RHS. Straight away trigonometric formula. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. sin 3 theta ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 sin theta is replaced by x minus 4 x cube. Then 3 theta is equal to sin inverse of. Then after theta replaced back, we have 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of. So the whole LHS is equal to RHS. At a stretch we are going to get it here. That's a modification of trigonometry to inverse trigonometry. This is also correct. Okay. Or one more option. Let us say sin inverse x equal to theta. LHS ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ 3 theta. RHS ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, which reduces to 3 theta. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so any one method you can come across here, but I think the best option, which I'll be continuing in my henceforth class also, this method called substitution method, the best option. And this method will definitely help you even in the case of calculus also, differentiation. Shortly we'll be dealing with the same method in the differentiation chapter also. Okay, so these are the two methods extra which I given. Even e method kuda correct agide. If you are perfect in this, just carry on. Okay, now one more question, definitely I should give a homework for you. Prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. For x belonging to 1 by 2 comma 1 closed interval. So obviously 4x cube minus 3x in takshana, what comes in your mind? Which formula comes in your mind? Put x is equal to cos theta. Chart I gave you just now. So start with RHS and try to prove this answer. I'll continue with my next video. Okay, thank you.